Fox 47's Local for You in the Know segment is sponsored by The Bruce Company.
The Bruce Company decked out for the holidays, right, Lisa Briggs? We are getting ready for Ladies' Night. Let's talk more about this.
Yes, we start with a garden center and then we turn it into a Christmas extravaganza.
And you did a great job. It is beautiful in here, and Ladies' Night kicks off really your true holiday series of events. And why should we be here for Ladies' Night?
Well, Ladies' Night is just a really fun time to get together with your friends, do a little shopping, have some Christmas treats. We have special sales that night, and also there is a great raffle. All the proceeds benefit Fetch Dog Rescue, who's our charitable partner this year.
Talk about a perfect night to get out of the house, do a little bit of that holiday shopping, have a refreshment or two.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate all the work that you and Santa did to transform the Bruce Company.
Yeah, and then you go to our website and see all the workshops and carolers and reindeer and everything happening this season, so it's a busy place.
So much to look forward to, Lisa. Thank you for your time. BruceCompany.com for more.